It's Luckily Ripstone coming back at you with another video. Baseball Collector's Edge. Let's see what we get today. Oh, look like we got the big baseball cards, Topps. And we're gonna go into our 25 cards. Alright. Luis Robert, Miguel Cabrera, Trey Turner on the roof. The Gypsy Queen. The Trey Turner on the Gypsy Queen. Now that card is fire. Max Scherzer. Oh, we got an autograph. Let's go. JD Martinez. Bowman Chrome. Let's go. We got our autograph. Oh, that was the back of the pack. Not to the front. Can't hurt. Bobby Witt. Willie McGee. Chris Carpenter. David DeJesus. That's a nice hit. Daryl Boston. Don August. Wayne Tolson from the Yankees. Steve. Greg Harris. Luis Polania. Harvey. Brian Harvey. Steve Carter. Tommy Shields. Checklist. Mike Warren. These cards are upside down, bro. Bonilla. Hall of Famer. Juan Bonilla. Mike Trulio. Ali Can Boyd. Oil Can. Doc Edwards. Tigers leaders. Steve Harvey. Hensley Mullison. Andy Van Sleek. John Dobson. Drew Hall. What is going on? Why are these cards upside down? Dan Petrie, Barry Jones, Kevin, Fred Tolliver. Oh, we got here. Top prospects. Thomas Perez. Daryl Boston. Cecil Fielder. We got a rookie card. Kyle Spell. Another rookie card. Anthony Volpe. Let's go. Adrian. Jesus Aguilar. And Roberto Perez. All right, next we're gonna go into our Heart Garbage pack. Topps big baseball cards. Hey. There. Okay, what we got here? Atlee Hamerick. Luis Rivera. Gary Ward. Bob Horner. Ron Gant. Nice hit. Kirk Gibson. Mike Dunn. All right. Hot Garbage.